So in this SwagBucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to redeem SwagBucks for an Amazon gift card here on the SwagBucks application. So once you guys open up the app, go to the bottom right and press on More. Once you're on this page, go to the top left and press Redeem SB. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and view a variety of different gift cards that you can actually turn SB into. So in this case, if you wanted to redeem SwagBucks for an Amazon gift card, I would just scroll down, find Amazon right here, and select it. Now what you have to do is actually have a certain amount of SwagBucks to redeem. So in this case, you can get a minimum of a $5 gift card, and you're going to need 500 SwagBucks to make that happen. So if you have that much money, or if you have that much SwagBucks, you can go ahead and redeem it for a gift card. And this is how you guys can do it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can redeem SwagBucks for an Amazon gift card here on SwagBucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.